You can change and make your WhatsApp chat font large, small, and medium. Like this is the current chat font of my WhatsApp. You see, this is the current size. I can change that using in settings. Go to settings and get into chats. Get into font size. Click on that, and this is you can make that small. So what will happen? The chats you have already written will be automatically be small. Or if you write right now, they will they will be sent small. You see, the fonts are small, but you can make that bigger too. How to do that? To the same, get back to the same point. Go to settings, click on chats, and click on font size, and click on large. Now your chats will be automatically bigger, big. Click on this. You see, they are bigger. They are no bigger. So this was the solution. Do you have any question? You can ask me in the comment box below.